Okay, so here is your treatment plan that you will be completing on your AODA movie character. You'll want to review your AODA assessment as well as the UPC that you completed on your character. And then you're going to start creating treatment plan goals. For AODA treatment plans, you have to always have a minimum of one short-term goal that can be completed within 3 to 6 months, as well as a long-term goal, so 6 to 12 months out. These have been provided for you as far as the problem area. So the substance use, and then the long-term goal of risk of relapse. So I've given you 2 problem areas. You'll need to identify a 3rd problem area and then create the goals for that as well. There are some examples below. So if you scroll down, there are examples of problem areas as well as goals. So you can use these or you can create your own. So when we're looking at a short-term goal for substance use, the goal may be something to do with maintaining abstinence or sobriety. All goals should be put in quotes and they should come directly from your client. So you may say, okay, in session, what kinds of things do you want to work on while we're spending time together? And the client may say, I want to stay sober. So that would be put in quotes, I want to stay sober. And then the follow-up question for your client is, okay, so how are you going to do that? And then the objectives are what kinds of action things they're going to do to be able to meet their long-term goal to stay sober. Objectives need to be very specific and measurable. So the objective may be to attend individual counseling with your name, or in my case, April Hamill, 1 time per week for the next 3 months. The next objective may be client will submit random breathalyzers 3 to 4 times per week. So they're very, very specific, and you can look at the objective and say, yes, they completed that objective, or no, they did not complete that objective, and that helps you be able to measure your goal. So you do the same thing for the risk of relapse, a long-term goal, so looking out in 6 to 12 months what that goal as well as the objectives may be. And then for 3, like I said, you will be completing that area yourself. So here are some more examples of goals. As well as objectives. So there are several examples for you. If you have any questions, please let me know.